bullshit na yan.
Huwag mo lagay dyan.
Happy birthday. Birthday to you. Dito lang. May ano pala.
So we're on our way to Omeda.
Ever since grade school, you're doing it.
We're gonna eat the chocolate oats, white chocolate cookie, mini marshmallows, cookies and cream, and with matcha powder. Five out of 5. So guys, this is with mini marshmallow and mini Oreo.
Sarap. Malamig na, tapos nag-ice cream ka pa once.
So ngayon, minom tayo ng, kumakain tayo ng ice cream sa gitna ng 12 degrees Celsius pa. Sobrang lamig. Ayun, so, ayun lang. Thank you!
Margella, gusto ko pero mahal.
Magkano?
28 for a salamong.
Pero kasi collaboration.
Pero nilagyan lang ng Mason Margella.
Meron tak talaga, sundin kong 101, diba?
Where are you?
Wala, hindi namin napuntahan.
Because,
Shop.
Ikaw na lang pumunta doon, Nicolo.
Thank you, Mommy.
Pumunta na lang kayo doon, wala na akong pera. Puntahan niyo yung boss, pagkasarado na.
So, di 7:32.
Sige na, puntahan mo na.
Sabi mo kay Daddy, gutom na daw siya eh. Sabi na magbawalan na daw siya pag di siya nakakain.
shabu ba tayo?
Hindi na tayo kakabot dun. Ba't di kasi siya pumunta? Kaya nga tayo
Oo
nag-iwalay.
Papagalitan siya ni daddy, guys.
Nag-connect sinumpa lang siya.
Wala pinibityan ko yung mga away-away na.
Ilang steps ka na?
13,000.
Mas marami pa ako.
Parang sa...
Gusto ko yung melon soda.
Wala tayong strawberry sun.
Oo nga eh. Orange sandolan eh. Or peach, iba yun. Parang peach. Tapos yung huling kita namin na may strawberry sando dun pa sa airport.
Sa Lawson. Yung magkahalo.
Parang
Nakala yung life hack. May life hack yun eh.
Ay, naisip sa'yo.
Life hack.
Paano buksan mo?
parang nga son.
Wait.
Yan si... Ay.
Life hack.
Oh my God, wala akong white ano. Sorry, Erin, in spirit.
Oo, tinan mo.
You got some candy.
Rick and Eden. Game, okay na. Ba't naka-wide?
Kaya mo naka-wise? Portrait o landscape?
Portrait na lang. Mas maganda ba pag dito ka? Hi guys, so today I'm doing for tonight, it's November 3rd, 12 degrees Celsius here in Osaka. Then I'm doing my outfit for tonight. I'm wearing Elfric Eden. It's a vintage store. Then I'm also wearing jorts from Carhartt. There. Then we have my socks and my shoes from Bathing Ape. So it's denim as well. It's a denim type of shoes. Then I have my bandana from Siargao. I got it from Guapitos. Then my APC bag. And then my bracelets. that would be all. And tara, outfit check. 1, 2, 3, go. Paano ba outfit check? Ano yan, di ba? Sumusunod. So let's go. Saan sila? Na sila? Okay, done. Gusto ko dun sa street talaga. Sayang naman. Mamaya na lang.
Kumandang yung sarili mo.
Tara, Zara.
Punta ka muna ron. Matagal pa sila.
Let's go to Zara, Kuya Bill. Kaya nga Sabi ko, ba't di tayo nag-station? Ano yan?
Kanina si Mami, ang bilis niya dun sa...
So, currently we're in... Bakit?
Nung tumitingin sa kanya, yung may tinitingnan siya na bag, na
Oh.
Hermes.
Oh.
Ang bilis niya papunta sa shop, tapos nung pabalik na ng hotel, ang bagal.
Oh my God. So, there's a Nike store here. And so, this is Time Out Market. So, Umeda Station is the... siguro dito yung mga malls. From Lucoa. Saan ba? That's Umeda Sky Building, guys. Then, I think it's a shopping district siguro to. Since it has a lot of stores. Tapos nilalamig na ako. It's 12 degrees kasi. And we have Umekita Park. We're in Umekita Park. So, we're going to enter the store kasi it's really cold. Ayun. So, hanapin natin yung yung perfume ko din. Hindi ko mahanap yung perfume ko eh. Sana pwede mag-video. Pero pag hindi, hindi. So, right now, we're in Zara. So, I think we're finding... we're going up. Up ba? So, sa second naman... Nag-H&M na kayo? Ha? Gusto ko mag-H&M kasi iba yung H&M. Oo. Iba H&M ng Hindi. Gutom na siya, B. Ichiran daw yung narinig niya. Gutom na siya, guys. So, we're gonna find outfit. Pero I bet it's more on winter stuff na kasi sa Zara right now. Hindi naman ba? Girl, it's winter collection. What do you think? So, we're finding outfit. Ayoko ng ganyan. Mas maganda spring collection talaga. Wow, pants daw for office. So yan, we're gonna shop lang muna guys. Montage muna tayo. Char. Oh help. Stop the queue. Wala, no? So maghanap tayo ng perfume kasi I've been looking for my perfume. So there are different styles of perfume here. Ito na nga yung perfume.
Yung mga nandito ba available sa
Like this, Warm Glance. Wala pa sa Philippines. Pero, ito, ang bango. So, Warm Glance is, meron siyang apple, cashmere, wood, and amber. Amoy apple pa. Ito amoy apple. Parang unisex. Ito mabango ba?
Pwede, oo.
Oh my God.
Ayun na, nice.
Hindi sila nagbebenta ng pang grip socks. Hi guys, so today we're here at Nike and we're gonna see some shoes such as this Nike Zoom. It's so nice. This is the Pomero Greens. Then right here we have the Jordans and I don't have any problems to go with Jordans right now. And today, Nicolo, help! How about this one? These are nice. Bango. Sino yun? Bakit? Nike.
Ito Lego kay Sydney.
In collaboration with Lego, they had it with Lego by Nike. Ano ba ginagawa ng Nike?
Ito kay Sydney pwede.
Wag, sige nga.
Ayoko.
Lakas mo lang projection. Tama yun.
Hindi ko alam eh. Parang si Fonzie naamoy ko.
Bango kasi. Char. Amin mo to.
Ito nga yung naamoy.
Amin.
Ba't parang amoy
May bagong bagong debit.
Ano yung Nike Bayou? Tignan na natin yung Nike Bayou. Mag-design tayo ng shirt. Magkano magpa-design ng shirt? Today's Nike Bayou has been closed by popular. Wala na nga daw. Due to popular demand, wala nang Pero sayang. In fairness, they don't have it right now, so that is so sad. Nike Bayou is canceled.
Oo, kasi ba? Lego na lang.
So, I want this because it's platform. Parang sayang. 16K na lang,
Hirap naman sa
Grabe sumasakay na sila sa trend ng platform. Kasi nga, ang daming short people. Anyways, thank you so much. Guys, so next, we're gonna see some outlet Nike apparels. Wag yan! Because Parang pa. Oh my god. So I don't know why I'm here. It's Osaka. It's saying Osaka.
You already bought him Jordan. Yung brown. Sa Hong Kong.
So next, this is the Nike custom made. And right now they are closed. So next time we're gonna do this soon. And this is where you customize your Nike pairs or your Nike apparel. But right now they are closed now. So sad. So nice. We're gonna help you customize your fit and all. So yeah. Next, we're gonna go ahead and please let us eat, Char. So right now, we're gonna move to... Oh my God. Tayo pwede outfit check. Mamaya lang.
Hello?
Doon lang tayo sa road ulit.
Saan kayo?
Saan yung yung kabilang side?
Yung Han-Q? Pupunta ba kayo dito?
Punta ba daw tayo doon? Saan? Doon sa Kit. Ano daw? Thank you so much.
Gawin na lang. Kami na lang pupunta.
Galing ni Paul. So, talaga sumak nila.
Ayun, nag-ticket paslis.
Nurse ka ba?
Di nga eh. So sad. It is for the... Ang sakit na ng likod. Ulo ko eh.
Party pa. Magpa-party kayo namin.
Pag nag-Osaka Amazing Pass tayo, feel ko mas mura. Oh. Yung ano.
Tingin mo.
Oh yeah, susi.
Ikat mo, baka di ka na makababat.
Lalakad ka ba?
Grabe. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Mana sa'yo. Mana sa'yo.
Para sa'yo.
Ayoko nang... nandito na. I paid for this. Ito na yung 2,000 nyo, guys.
May skywalk dito.
Hindi ako mag-skywalk. Ito na pa.
Alexandra.
Mukha namang kita.
Alex!
Faster. For the memes, diba? Ayoko na. Alam kong bakit? Kasi I watched Final Destination. Yung may may penny. Kaya na-stress ako. Genealogy to Dreams of Sky Garden.
Wow! So,
Tag yourself. Where are you? I'm here.
I'm here.
Boo. 47 is the World Trade Center.
Liit namin na wala pa isang space.
Dreams of Mid-Air Gardens. Ba't wala yung Philippines?
Minnesota.
Squatter ng Pilipinas.
So we have a sky.
Yeah, 45 and 47, meaning you have Chrysler and Empire State Building and World Trade Center. Picture muna, ha? Hoy, gusto mo? So this is the architectural design of Umeda Sky Building, began with first sketch. So merong mid-air garden talaga siya. Yeah, it's with the mid-air gardens that was, nakalagay here, that was once fabled through Hanging Gardens of Babylon. So, it's one of the ancient wonders yung Babylon na yon. Then like, ginaya siya with this one. Next, workable model. This is the workable model. This is the Lego model. Joke lang. Yan yung concept ng tree buildings. So yeah, Umeda Sky Building. Wait lang, basahin nga natin. Sabi daw dito, it is a world yet to be seen that spreads beyond the point where architecture grows into the sky, and it also depicts the emotions of people seeking such a world. Skyscrapers in the world stop at a competing height. Then Hiroshi Hari once said, "Where did the yearning for height lose elegance? The key phrase of Umeda Sky Building is to actualize an Eden spreading in the sky that is a mid-air garden." So may mid-air garden pala siya. And this is the model by Hiroshi Hara that indicates the concept of the building. So may freestanding high-rise building. So yung freestanding high-rise building cannot into half. Then meron siyang artificial ground area na naka-divide. Then it connects the third building. Tatlong building siya. Tapos may gitna. Oh my God. I don't know why. I'm just scared for my life later. So it's the original plan of the Umeda Sky Building consists of 3 connected buildings. Yeah. When this third building becomes a reality and finally is interconnected, that will be the time when Umeda Sky Building is really completed. So 3 buildings siya. Ayan yung building niya. 1, 2, 3. Tapos meron siyang garden. So that's a proposal. Lift of construction. Nilift nila through mid-air yung circle. Then, circle, mid-air concept, then earthquake resistant. So, earthquake resistant pala siya. So, dasal na lang tayo. Magkaroon ng earthquake dito. So, this structural system which connects to the top parts of multiple buildings excels at the resistance to earthquake. So, yeah, dasal na lang tayo mamaya kung magka-earthquake o wala. So, next, we're gonna go to the rooftop. Already! Let's go to the roof. Let's go to the way. They say what they can say. Have a drink, like me, So, nasa mid-air tayo, guys. So, guys, bawal ang... I'm scared.
Wait, can this hold all of us?
Yeah.
Study.
9 people.
Daddy! Daddy! Alright!
Daddy.
Baka yung harapin niyo na dad.
Sinig ko daw natamaan yung...
Daddy! Nandito na!
Hindi siya natamaan si daddy ng bola sa ulo.
Kailan?
Dati. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Oh my God. I don't like being next to him.
Why?
Anyone else? I don't like that. No. Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Ay, wag.
Ano nangyari sa...
Stop.
Oh my God.
Hi, guys. Pa na.
We're outside.
Guys, so ngayon, bilisan na natin. Faster. Isa lang. May sayang 2,000 peso. Wait lang, 40 lang. I'm scared na.
See?
Oh my God, lamig. May... Ayoko na. Faster, please. Parang nagsishake.
God, hindi siya siya nga eh. Hindi na parang isip tayo.
I don't know. 7 years old.
Guys,
Alex, move.
Nahihilo na ako eh. Ang sakit na ng paa. Ang daming shiny.
What is the shine?
Ano shiny?
That dome.
Tatlo?
Dome looking thing.
Ba't ang daming red na ano? Like, this is suspended in midair, guys. So,
He's a breeder.
Be suspended? Suspended bukas ngayon.
ang ganda. Hey, I survived. Priority over.
Good ka nga eh. How can you be a priority when you're riding when you go to Magic Mountain?
Because I cannot stand in lines for a long time.
Yeah, you can ride the roller coaster.
Yeah, it's
Grabe. Namatusap yan. Walang mintis, pati
Si
snoopy
Nat, hindi naka ano, no? Si Magic Mountain ba sina Thea? Sino sumama?
Ano yung Magic Mountain?
after work I took them. I drove
Next
them.
year, walang express pass doon.
There is you naman kayo.
You're so nice.
Then I took them to Chili's after.
Wait, kawawa na. Laundry! Yay! I survived.
I wanna eat the menra in...
Here, yan.
Ayoko na, please. I don't like the...
Bidyan mo.
Hi guys, so yes, we're gonna go to the ano na, the building there. Kasi we've entered the middle. Suspended in mid-air talaga yung ano. Ang galing. Na faster, young, crazy.
Sa VIC.
Yeah.
500
Sa pa ng alaba.
Picture tayo.
South Carolina?
North Carolina.
Ang ganda. Ayoko na. Parang mahuhulog na ako. Safe na. Hindi na siya suspended in mid-air. Oo, God. Ano yun? Babon. Wala na be. Tapos na. Thank you Lord talaga. Thank you Lord. Grabe, ang sakit na ng pao ko. As I get older talaga, natatakot na ako sa height. Talaga. I don't like it. I got traumatized by the Universal Studios Japan. Ano yun? Yung flying dinosaur, grabe. I don't like that. It's so slow. It's Venus Dumondo. Stop!
Tara, nood muna tayo.
Because they was the one who's buried. Wait, tara, theater muna tayo. Oo, walang subtitles. I am safe, guys. So, yeah, it's getting cold out there. 11 na, guys.